Okay, so I am Jessica Baker and I'm going to be doing the hand washing technique lab. I have a lot of windows, so it's pretty sunny, so I'm confined to the bathroom, and it's not a lot of space, but I think it's enough for this lab anyway. So what I have here is, I don't know if you can see, these are they're labeled with no for my no wash test tubes. This group over here has a Q for quick wash, and then this group back here has a G for good wash. And then I've got my pipettes on there, I've got 2 in there, and then my little ultraviolet light, and we have our glow germ. And I've got my lab apron on. It's clear, but you can see it. And so, and the sink right behind me with soap and paper towels. So, I'll put on my goggles and we can get started. So, I'm gonna shake, it says to shake the glow germ, and then apply quarter size amount. We'll rub it in, get it all over. Okay, we'll let it dry a little bit. So, I rubbed it in so you can't actually see it on my hands, but we'll see. So, we'll take the first pipette, and we'll put 3 milliliters of water into each of the test tubes labeled with no for no wash. We'll put it back, and then we'll turn the lights down and take a look. And so, as we can see, I don't know if we can see my hand here. Let me turn off this light. Computer. So my hands are just filthy. They're just like super covered. Oh, see, there's like little like spots like that. So if we count those little tiny, no, we'll count them all. I mean, my hands are totally covered. We'll say like 2 big giant spots. The test tubes are okay. The pipette is totally covered, and the beaker's got spots as well. So I can say 2, well, there's a few spots on the thing too. So we'll say 2 big spots on my hands. So that's 2 big ones. 1 small one on the pipette, 4 or 5 on the beaker, 6, 7, 8 on the workspace, and then my doorknob is covered too, so we'll say 9 spots total, and 2 of them being my entire hand. So now we'll do just a quick wash in the sink. And so this is just how I wash my hands normally. Quick wash. Take a paper towel and we'll dry off. Okay, so now we're going to turn off the light again and take a look. And I've got a spot on my wrist there. It's like kind of some in there. So we'll say 1, 2, oh gosh, 3, 4, 5 on my nails, 6 on my wrist there, 7 on my hand. We'll count 8 for these nails. Oh, I forgot to do this. Gotta do my pipette. That would help. So are we at 9? 10 on the pipette because it's dirty. The test tubes are not because I didn't touch them. So we'll say 10 spots total, except these ones are smaller. It's not my entire hand like it was for the first one. Okay, and so for the last step, for the good wash, we'll put a little bit more of this, or we'll just do it again. Enough to cover the hands. We'll rub it in. Okay. So we can't actually see it, but we will wash. We'll do a good wash this time. So we'll keep the hands down and wash all the way up onto the wrist. And then we'll scrub. Be sure to get in between the fingers and the nails. Up onto the wrist. All the nails. Okay, and then we'll rinse again with the hands down. And then we'll dry with the paper towel. And then we'll get another paper towel to turn off the sink. And then we will perform our experiment with our last pipette, putting 3 milliliters of water into each of the test tubes labeled G for good wash. And then we'll turn off the light and take a look. So, my hands look good. The only spot is my nails. There's still some, even though I thought that I washed them pretty good. The test tubes are okay because I didn't touch them, and the pipette doesn't have anything on it at all. So I'm gonna count it as 1 because it was just fingernails that are dirty. And so now I will clean up everything and document my results.